Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be finishing up, by the way, welcome back or welcome if you're new. How about that? We are going to be finishing up the altered composition notebook that we started. When I went off camera the last time, I did do a couple of little things to it. I did add some tabs to the side and the top. I got some of my die cuts out, and I did some die cutting, and so I put like one of the folders there. I put this is a little tuck spot here. I put a little corner pocket there. And this is a little tag thing that'll hold some like little pieces of ephemera. I just put a little label like there. What else did I do? I put another folder on this page. I'm just looking. I put another little envelope here. I put a corner pocket there. I don't think I've done anything to that other than add a tag. I put an envelope there, and a tuck spot there, and a tuck spot there. So we are going to see about doing something with the cover. Let's do that first. I still am undecided if I want to use some of my Tim Holtz ephemera. You know what? I think I know what I want to use. Let me see. It is in my big ephemera storage. And I think I'm thinking maybe that one. Even though it's not like the same colors, I kind of like that. I'm tossed between that one. Let me grab this one here. I'm just pulling it off. I don't know. I like that one. We're going to go with that one. All right, let me stick that one back in. And let's just go ahead and glue this down. So I stick it into my book with the tape runner. And I use the permanent tape. And that book is a mixed media art notebook, and it works wonders for my ephemera storage. I've used it for so long. And the way that I store my ephemera in there, because it's got the tape on it, I can pull it out and then put it on whatever I'm wanting to put it on and see how it looks. And then take it out if I need to. So I really enjoy that. And I will try to remember to leave the link below to how I made that book. And I'm thinking about putting some rickrack right here. I want red, but I don't know if this is quite... I think that even that narrow, I think will look cute. Let's see what I have here, and let's just see if this looks any better. I think I'm going to go with that red, though, unless this just really speaks to me. Well, my goodness, it may not be speaking to me because I can't get it out. So there's that. Oh my goodness. Guys, really? Great day. I was not going to let it win. Let's see. I think I like the red. So we're going to go with the red. So let's just put a little strip of glue right along that seam right there. We don't have to put anything there, but I think it'll just add a little bit to it. So I'm just going to get my rickrack and just lay it right there on that. I think that is super cute. I love it. I think it just adds something to the little journal or notebook. So I'm going to put a little bit of glue on each end of the rickrack so that it does not fray. Or hopefully it won't fray. Look at that. Super cute and adorable. I love it. We may or may not put any on the back, you know, we'll see. Alright, so when we open this, now I did make something for this, and this is almost like a writing board. It's kind of thick, and I made it in the shape of a tag, and I done that just so that I can stick that down in there like that. Now let's see, what do we have here? These are some cards, and I think I'm going to put one of these in the front. Oh, look at that inside of that. I think that will be cute. And let's just stick it right there. And we will stick that maybe right there. That'd be like the letter to whoever wants to buy this. Now I've got some different stuff that I've cut out, and we'll just see what we can put in there. I don't know, what about that large, no, because that's not a complete pocket. Alright, so we'll put that, it's a piece of the paper that I've just folded and made into the shape of a card. Now for this, I think what I want to do, I want something green, and rather than sticking it down all the way, I'm going to do it like that. That's cute. And I do have a pocket behind it that but I don't know if I'm going to put anything in it right now or not. And then this is a file folder that I've glued down. I've glued the sides down, but it is also a pocket in the back. So let's see, that may be too wide. No, that would work. So let's just see what all we have. Let's put maybe some of the smaller stuff right here. We could put a tag back there. That'll work. I may have to cut some more stuff because I don't know how much I have cut. And then this is just a little tuck, and it's not real sturdy, so I don't want a lot in that. We'll just put that there. And, okay, what do we have? Again, I just cut, like, this is the scraps and stuff that I had left over. I don't know how that looks there. We may have to come back and revisit that, but let's see. I think it's this. I think something could go maybe right there. Yeah. And I think it's got a spot up here for something to go. Yeah, so we'll just do that. I don't know. I'm not real fond of those in there like that, but we're putting something in it. This one is a large pocket. And when I was pulling stuff, a company had sent me these. They were trying to get me to buy. So you see it's got the pretty cover, but on the inside it says your custom imprint appears here. So I am going to actually use these in this journal. I don't know if they'll fit in here though. That's the only thing. Well, it's, let's see. It sticks out a little bit, but I think it might be okay. We're going to try that. And then we have that other pocket there. Will that fit or no? I think that's going to be too wide. We could put that one. And that works. Then we have this back pocket over here. So we've got the pocket here and the little tuck there. Let's see about that. And so for the little tuck, we want something small to stick down in there. but I want it where you can actually, I want it contrasting kind of. So I'm just going through, oh, there's a tag, and let's just do that maybe. This, there's no pocket or anything there, I just stuck it there. Okay, and now we have this little folder. That may be too little to go in there without falling down behind it. Let's just see. And this is also has a pocket in the back. There's another one of these envelopes. Well, it looked like that was just laying right there for it. And then we've got this little bad boy here. Let's see how that does. Maybe, see when I'm doing these, I just put all kinds of stuff in it because it really doesn't matter. What about that one? Oh yeah, will that fit? Yeah, yeah. What about this one here? But I want something contrasting in the front. I don't know that I have anything else contrasting. That I think is too big. Let's leave that for right now. We may have to come back and redo that. Let's put this one right here, just because I don't know what else to put in that big old pocket right now. And maybe that. And what else can we put? This is out of one of my digital kits. It was on my desk though, so it's fair game. We're going to use it. These, let's see what we have. And I think this is a pocket in the back too. Will these fit? Yes, that fits. But let's do that. And I have another one of those. I'll put that one there, and then we've got one behind it. All right. And then we have another envelope. Do I have any more of those? Let's see. I may not have any more. I wonder if I could fold this and if that would fit. Make it like a card. Let's see if that will fit in there. It does, so that's what we're going with. I don't know if that's too, that'll work. What else do we have? Oh, we got a tuck spot there. Let's do our Santa card. That may be too heavy. Let's do this one. I think that works. Then we have a tuck spot there. Let's try that one. Now what do we want to put back here? Will that fit? That'll work. What is this? Is that glued down? We can put that there. And maybe that. I don't really like the same color, but you know, I think it'll work. Then let's go back and see where were the places that I didn't stick stuff down that we needed to. That's too wide. I mean, I can cut something else, but I don't want to. I really don't want to. That is out of one of my digitals, so that we're just going to stick that there. We've got something there. Got something there. Got stuff there and there. I'm liking it. So we've got some extra pieces. So you know what we're going to do? We're going to stick all of these extra pieces somewhere because there's no reason to... Will that fit? Well, let me cut that. Let me see if I can cut it straight or if I need to get my trimmer out. Probably need to get my trimmer out, but we're not stressing over it right this minute. And that can go right there. We've got something there. Something there. So I think we've got something in all of the pockets now. Look how chunky it is. Look at that. I love it. Okay. So do we want to put, I think we will put a strip of this on the back as well. I think it'll just kind of add to it a little bit. And just put a little thin bead of glue right down there like that. And just get my rickrack, line it up, and put it down. There we go. And so let me cut this, and then I will put the glue on the end of this as well, because this sometimes it will fray, and I don't want that to happen. Alright, so let me clean some of this up. Now, I did not do a closure, and I don't know if I'm going to. Oh, I've got to be careful about setting that down right this second. I don't know how dry that is. But yeah, guys, there it is. There is the finished product. The altar, and I've done some stamping there. You can do stamping all through it, but let me know what you all think. Let me know if this is something that you guys would do. And we will come back probably one day next week and do another altered composition notebook. Alright guys, thanks for joining. I'll talk to you later. Bye guys.